Hi, this is Gloria. I am meeting some of you for the first time. So let me tell you, I am a very happy and successful Glowroad reseller. And today I am here to share tips on how to get your first order on Glowroad. The best way to start is to create a WhatsApp group of your close friends and family. Give a nice and interesting name to your WhatsApp group. I have named my group Gloria's Glam Shop. Now make the group members group admins so that they can add their friends to your group and make your group even bigger. To make someone a group admin, we just have to long press on their name. Look at the screenshot on the right. You will see how the option to make group admin appears. Now start sharing products and collections on this group and get feedback. Try to understand what type of products does your group want. Very soon you will have a fairly large WhatsApp group. Then it's a good idea to break the group into smaller groups based on choices and age group. For example, a separate group for college girls, a separate one for ladies interested in saris and jewelry, a separate one for slightly senior ladies, and so on. Now the most important tip. Share regularly. Our data shows that sharing about 20 to 30 products a day gives best results. Don't bother your friends by sending too many photos, but don't be too shy and share just one or two a day. Consistently send 20 to 30 per day per group. This will surely give you good results. Share best selling, latest arrivals, best price products from our stores. Your business is new. Reassure your customers and win their trust. Tell your customers these things. If they do not want to pay online, cash on delivery is available. Definitely tell them that they can return a product if they don't like it. We provide easy returns with free reverse pickup. Their full money will be refunded quickly. Now about discounts and offers. Who does not like discounts? Set a higher margin and tell your customers that you can give a discount especially for them if they like a product. Make them feel special. Pick your first few orders at a small margin. Right now, it is important for you to win the trust of your customers. Later on, you can always sell at higher margins. Tell your customers that you have limited pieces available and fast selling products go out of stock. Doing this will make them decide faster. Do not disclose where you source products from. If someone asks, just say that you have some business contacts. Disclose about Glowroad only when you really want to help your friend start her own reselling business. Hope you will use these tips to get your first order on Glowroad. Happy earning, and I'll see you soon.